Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hi friends, welcome to Electropixels. It's a single door Whirlpool refrigerator. Here in this refrigerator, the fault is cooling related issue. Here the refrigerator is not turning on. So here the fault is with this starter relay. First, before starting repair, we need to unplug the refrigerator from the power source. You can see the first one, the white color is the overload relay. Here actually the fault is with the second one, starter relay. See friends, this black one is the starter relay. So if we check this relay in continuity mode using a multimeter, if the fault is with relay, it shows no continuity. Or you can simply check this relay by after removing this relay from the refrigerator. If you shake it in your hand, it will make a clicking sound. So it means that it's a faulty relay. See friends, here we take new relay to replace this faulty one. So let us connect our sockets to this new relay. See friends, now we replaced the starter relay. See friends, first we need to connect the overload relay. After connecting the overload relay to the compressor, then we need to connect the starter relay. See friends, now we properly inserted the overload relay. So after fitting the overload relay, now we can connect and refit the starter relay back to refrigerator. If a clicking sound is coming from the refrigerator and the refrigerator is not turning on, then 100% the fault is with this starter relay. So you can solve this problem by replacing this starter relay. So friends, now we fitted the starter relay properly. Now we can put the back cover for covering this relay unit. This is the old faulty relay, you can see. See friends, this is the cover for covering the relay unit. So now we can fit this cover back to this refrigerator. So that's it. Now the refrigerator is started working. So hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.